Hi guys, so today I thought of doing a vlog. I ordered too many things from Amazon and I got the delivery of it. So today I will be showing or unboxing my ring light as well as the sunset lamp I bought from Amazon. Also I have to do it right now because I have to give them a review within 5 days. So let's see whether the ring light works for my makeup vlog or would I have to return it. That will be a very bad thing to do. I badly need a ring light, so I went for the Amazon choice. Let's see. This is the packaging. This is what I received. I also bought this pair of scissor and knife to cut down the packaging box. So let's see. I'm putting this phone on a mobile tripod. Original packaging from Digitek. Combo pack and this is model number 12. Okay. I'm going to show you in detail after the setup. So let's unbox this package right now. So here I can see there are 4 clips. So let me first unlock and see how tall this tripod is. Okay, so here's it. Okay. So the tripod is a little different. This is the height of the tripod stand. This is as high it can go and it's taller than me. Okay, so just see, if I stand next to it, I'm shorter than this. You can expect this to be 5'7", 5'8", around something. So yes, the setup was very easy. You can do it within 1 minute. You just need 40 seconds. You just need to fix this knobs, okay? The screw goes right here. Once you get this will be downwards. You need to pull the screw up and bend it on the left or right side. After that, you can attach the light with this tripod. So yes, the setup was pretty easy. Now let's check the light here. We won't be able to do this in this room because of sunlight, but I will be shifting to another room and let's see how it is. So this is how you fix it. Take this portion of the charger and fix the USB right to it. And this is the remote attached to it. This is the power on mode. Here you change the modes. Here you increase the intensity and here you decrease it. Now I hope you can see the result. So you can see this room. This room has bare minimum light. And now we are going to test the intensity of ring lights. I'm pressing this on the mobile stand holder. Okay, this is how it looks right now before I'm switching it on. Fingers crossed. I'm so pleased. My God, I'm so happy right now. Okay. Quickly change. Let me see all the modes available. I love how my skin looks. I'm so happy. Okay, so let's see all the modes. This is the first mode I got after switching it on. Normally I use this light color to do all the makeup tutorials. Let's see the other. Okay, the warm, the fluorescent light. Okay, it has 3 modes. This is my favorite one. And see, let's see if it's the highest or I can go lower than this. So this is the highest power right now. You can lower. सबसे कम सबसे ज़्यादा Okay guys, right now, to be very honest, I'm happy. Okay. So I hope you can see the ring light. So this is the mobile holder. Okay, I could bend it easily. It was like this before. I bended it easily while I was shooting for this YouTube video. I had to place my mobile in this position. Now if you're shooting for reels or TikTok, something like that, you want a portrait mode, you do it like this. You just have to adjust it. It's super flexible. I'm so crazy about this ring light right now. I'm really crazy about this. I wanted this for a long time. I already have another ring light. This is also from Digitek. I bought this 3 years ago, but I got a tripod. It was so flimsy that I couldn't use it for a single day, and it had no mobile holder. I don't know whether it was a defective product or not, but I'm super happy. I hope to make more videos. I would try to utilize my time at night. I will soon share the review of the sunset lamp as well. That's the most viral lamp. So yeah, stay tuned.